A lengthy court hearing today in the legal battle between the Paterno family estate and the NCAA. Now, that dispute stems from sanctions the NCAA leveled against Penn State in the wake of the Jerry Sandusky scandal. Gary Sinderson is at the Centre County Courthouse with more on what happened at today's hearing. Gary?
Marty, back here in downtown Bellefonte in front of the courthouse. More than 3 hours of testimony today in this latest chapter in the legal battle between the Paterno family estate and the NCAA. And of course, it has become like a three-ring circus with Penn State now involved. In recent weeks, the attorneys for all the parties have been exchanging an increasing number of legal briefs back and forth, paperwork. But today it was back here in the courthouse. First time they've been in front of the judge in the past few months. For Penn State, it was their first in-court hearing in this case. They're holding documents the Paterno estate once released through discovery, most pertaining to the Freeh investigation of the Sandusky scandal.
The documents are quite important, and we're looking forward to seeing them.
The battle over the documents, one part of Monday's hearing. The other was a central issue with this case, with the NCAA claiming the Paterno estate plaintiffs have no standing in this case and that the case should be dismissed. And the Paterno attorneys claiming that the NCAA overstepped its authority in leveling the sanctions.
Oh, it's unfortunate, but we respect the court. These things take time. Joe Paterno cautioned that in the end, that people wanted to rush to a judgment here. And that's what's made this case so unfortunate. It's why so many people are upset, because we still don't know the truth. And what the family cares about, what this case about, is getting to the truth. It takes time. That's extremely difficult for everybody, but we respect the court in this process.
No rulings were issued following Monday's hearing. As for those documents that the Paterno family estate is seeking, the Penn State attorney saying today, listen, we can't just turn over some of those documents. There's attorney-client privileges involved along with other issues. But if we do get a court order, if the university does get a court order, they will comply with turning over those documents. Marty, Jen?
So, Gary, do we have any idea after today what the timeline is, how soon this case could go to trial?
Couple issues here, Marty. As you well know, this is a civil case, and it usually takes longer for civil cases to go through the court system than criminal cases. Plus, we have an out-of-county judge here, Judge John Leet from Potter County, coming in today. As we said, it went 3 hours today, and the judge kept the whole hearing moving along, but it still went over 3 hours. Plus, this is one of those cases, no matter how Judge Leet decides, there will be appeals filed. So to say we have a definite timeline, not really, except to say we know this is going to be going on probably for quite a while. We're live in Bellefonte. Gary Sinderson, 6 News.